shopping, navigating the grocery store. We're here with Michelle Kohler, Jodi Suson, Suson Essentials, and we're talking about oils and how you want to cook with oils. And what some people don't know is that each type of oil are supposed to be used differently. So, for instance, we have olive oil here. Are you aware that you're not supposed to cook olive oil on high heat?
Yes.
Okay. Most people are not. We'll step over here so we'll let the other shopper go by. So it actually becomes a carcinogen when you cook olive oil at high heat. Now, as opposed to that, you could cook grapeseed oil at high heat or coconut oil at high heat. So, you want to have, I think we all kind of grew up just always using, I know I did, olive oil for everything. And it didn't really make a difference. And so now, a lot of these places, let me see if I can find it here, they have labels. Like if you go on the back, we'll come over here. Okay, let's see if we can find. I'm not going to count that up. Nope. Some of these have like a label on the back. Yeah, so this one, actually. So if you take a look, I'll let you do a close-up on here. Peel here. And it will tell you...
Has to do with the smoke point.
Yes, exactly. It says, I can't read because I'm... Okay, let's see. Hold on. Chef's tip, there we go. So it has a smoke point of 325. So basically, you want to drizzle this over like a salad. That's how I use it. But then if you go to the same brand, so this is Spectrum. Let's look for Spectrum sunflower oil. And again, peel here. So what does it say here?
It says high heat, all-purpose refined oils. Almond oil, peanut oil, sunflower oil, avocado oil, canola oil, safflower oil, and sesame oil.
Yep, same here. And here's your grapeseed. So they're doing, so you need to be informed about how to use your oils because you don't want to harm your body because you're cooking with olive oil at high heat. So know the oils you use, all right? Let me know.